What's up everyone, it's your Ladybug here, also known as Trinity. Just came to tell you one thing, don't mind this. Actually two things. One is don't mind this. Also, second one is that for the slime mixing video, I have to put it into 3 separate parts. So there'll be part 1, part 2, and part 3. I couldn't put them all together because my phone can't put all of those together, and I don't know why, but I just don't have that type of phone to do that. Apparently it's saying I don't have that gigabyte or something, I don't know. So yeah, so it'll be in 3 different parts. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy my slime mixing video, not making, mixing video, and yeah, bye. Oh, so I just wanted to clear that up so people aren't like, why does she have 3 different parts? So yeah, bye.